Like in the last assignment, we're going to be creating some data from some data that's already in the table by looking at the games played, except this time we're going to be looking at some defensive data. So we're going to be looking at our rebounds and our steals and blocks, as well as turnovers per game. We're going to calculate totals by looking at how many they get per game and then multiplying that by the number of games played. So I'm going to insert a column to make room for our first one, which is going to be rebounds total, or RT. And then that equation is just going to be equals the rebounds per game multiplied by the number of games played. Again, that's going to give us a decimal number, which it shouldn't, because they can't have a decimal number of total rebounds. And rather than doing any type of fancy equation to reduce that down to a whole number, I'm just going to format that whole cell. I'm going to right click at the top, going to go to Format Cells, and I'm going to make it a number, and I'm just going to make it 0 decimal places. That's just going to round it down to the nearest whole number. Okay, so now I've got that whole number there. Again, I can copy and paste that right down for all my data. And then I'm going to do the same thing for assists, steals, blocks, and turnovers.